Today's lesson, we're introducing fractions. There are fractions in our lives every day. Fractions make it easier to compare pieces. Fractions are a whole piece split into equal parts. We use fractions when cooking with our parents, when sharing something with our friends, or even when we're cutting food. Fractions help us take a whole and split it up into parts. Let's think about some fractions that we can identify in our lives. How we split up a pizza, or when you have to share something with your friend. Fractions can be used in everyday life. Fractions are how we can count part of something. We have the denominator, which is how many pieces the whole object has been divided into. The numerator is how many pieces of that object, or that denominator, you are looking at. Can you think of how we can use fractions in our everyday life? What in your house would you use a fraction for? When would you use a fraction in your everyday life? As you can see, the denominator is on the bottom and the numerator is on the top part of the fraction. In this fraction, we can see that there are two parts of the whole, which is the denominator, and we have one piece, the numerator, of that denominator. So there is 1/2. What if we had a whole pizza that 8 people need to share? We split the pizza into 8 pieces. There are 8 pieces in the whole, so this is making the fraction 8/8. If one person eats one piece of pizza, how many pieces do we have left of the whole pizza? Let's count the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 pieces left. So if the numerator is how many pieces we have of the whole, that would make our fraction. That makes 7 pieces left. So we have 7 pieces out of the original 8 pieces of the whole pizza, making our fraction 7/8. What if I asked you, how many pieces did the one person eat? What fraction of the pizza would that be? So that person had one piece out of the 8 pieces, making our fraction of what that one person ate 1/8. Can you think of anything at home or in your life that you would use fractions with? For our homework assignment, we wrote down 5 things on a piece of paper that we can use fractions for.